how-tos.
Hi, my name is Xavier Art. I'm an artist with the Desire Company, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Mod Podge glue to fix any mistakes within your design. So if you take a look here, you'll see that the board itself has a nick or a mistake in the curve that we cut out here. You see it there? It's like a little lip, and we basically want to fill or patch this hole with the Mod Podge glue. You also need a paintbrush, and this dries clear, so you don't necessarily need to be afraid of getting the brush nice and wet with the glue, because it's going to dry clear. And you kind of just want to patch it in. And this is just a filler. You want to lay it on there nice and thick. And don't be afraid to get it on the top of your design, because like I said, it will dry clear. Once it's dry, you will have a patched area that will complete the smooth curve or arch in your design.